So today I'm going to do a demonstration on the 20 volt brushless Dewalt 15 gauge finish nailer. It's working really good. It takes 15 gauge nails. Everything works really nice. I put all this trim in around all these sliding glass doors, and it's nailing really well. I'm actually really satisfied with it. I'll show you how it, kind of doing this one-handed, so bear with me. You can see it sinks them in nice, does a good job. I don't have any, I've already nailed this one over here, and you can see I can't pull it off. So it does really good. I've used the same battery for all this molding, and I did some wainscoting inside the house as well, and it lasts pretty much. I've been working it for, I don't know, probably 4 hours, and on a single charge, and it's still going. So I'm really satisfied. You can nail this thing really fast too. It does a great job. I approve. 5 out of 5 stars. And there it is, another look. All right, thanks for watching.